Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the real values of x that satisfy this equation. Now, to solve this problem, let us start by expanding the left-hand side. We have x squared, which is x raised to power 4. 2 times x squared times 1 is 2x squared. And 1 squared is 1. Now, on the right-hand side, we have 4x times 1, that is 4x, and 4x times minus x squared, that is minus 4x cubed. Now, let us move these two terms over to the left-hand side. When we do that, the equation becomes x raised to power 4 plus 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now let us look at this quartic equation. Notice that when x is equal to 0, the left-hand side of this equation is equal to 1. So x equal to 0 is not a solution of this quartic equation. Also, notice that the coefficient of x raised to power 4 is 1. The coefficient of x cubed is 4. The coefficient of x squared is 2. Disregarding this sign, the coefficient of x is 4, and of course the constant term is 1. So the coefficients are 1, 4, 2, 4, 1. And also from behind we have 1, 4, 2, 4, 1. Now there's a very simple way to solve quartic equations like this. Here we have x raised to power 4, an even power. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we are going to divide through this equation by x to the power 2. Now this divided by this is going to give us x squared. This divided by this is going to give us 4x. This divided by this is equal to 2. This divided by this is equal to minus 4 over x. And finally, we have plus 1 over x squared. Of course, 0 divided by x squared is equal to 0. Now let us collect like terms. We have x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 4x minus 4 over x, and finally plus 2, and this is equal to 0. Now let us look at these two terms. We have x squared plus 1 over x squared, which of course is equal to x squared plus 1 over x squared. Now this is in the form a squared plus b squared, where a is equal to x and b is equal to 1 over x. Now remember that we can also write this as a minus b squared plus 2ab. So that means that we can write x squared plus 1 over x squared as x minus 1 over x squared plus 2 times x times 1 over x. Now, x times 1 over x is equal to 1. So that means that we can write these two terms as x minus 1 over x squared plus 2. Now, when you look at these two terms, you're going to see a common factor, which is 4. So we have 4 into x minus 1 over x. Then we have plus 2, and this is equal to 0. Now notice that here we have x minus 1 over x, and here we have the exact same thing. So we can simplify this equation with a substitution. Let x minus 1 over x be equal to the letter d. Now we have d squared plus 4d plus 2 plus 2 is 4 is equal to 0. Now we can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Since the coefficient of d squared is 1, all we need to do is to find the factors of 4 that add up to 4. And of course, those are going to be 2 and 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. That means that when we factorize the left-hand side, we have d plus 2. And of course, since we have repeating factors, this is going to be squared. This is equal to 0. Now, to solve this equation, we have that d plus 2 is equal to 0. And of course, from here, we have that d is equal to minus 2. And finally, to find the values of x, we go back to this substitution. We have that x minus 1 over x is equal to minus 2. To get rid of this fraction, let us multiply through this equation by x. X times x is x squared. Minus 1 over x times x is minus 1. And minus 2 times x is minus 2x. Rearranging this quadratic equation, we have x squared plus 2x is equal to 1. Now, to solve this quadratic equation, we are going to divide the coefficient of x by 2, square it, and add to both sides of this equation to complete the square on the left-hand side. When we do that, this equation becomes x squared plus 2x plus, now 2 divided by 2 is 1. So here we have 1 squared, and this is equal to 1 plus 1 squared. Now, this is a perfect square. So we take 1x, and we take 1, and we square. This is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Finally, we take square root of both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have that x plus 1 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 2. And to find the values of x, we subtract 1 from both sides of this equation. We have that x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 2. So we have found the two values of x that satisfy this equation. X equal to minus 1 plus root 2 and x equal to minus 1 minus root 2. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.